Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shivangi Lahoti and in today's video we will be unboxing the much talked about Ohuhu Brush Marker set, and we will try them with fashion illustrations and see if they're worth the hype. So without wasting any time, let's quickly just dive into this video. Okay, I did not really mean diving like that. Alright, to make our lives easier, I've divided this video in 4 parts, which is what's inside, color swatching, Ohuhu versus pro markers, and rendering fashion figures. So let's quickly dive into it now. So you've already seen the 72 colors. Well, this comes with also this paper which you can use in case the paper bleeds at the back while you're coloring. It also obviously comes with this little leaflet which talks about Ohuhu and how it was made and the kind of brush strokes you can expect and the fact that it's inspired by Honolulu and all of that jazz. And of course, all the 72 colors are also marked here already, but it comes with these color grading color swatches, these color charts, which I will be showing you how to use in a bit. But before that, this is how the marker looks. So it's chisel tip on one side and it is brush tip on the other side. Now the brush tip has a gray edge to it so that when you're using it, you don't get confused. Honestly, I was having a hard time figuring out all the different colors because the names are absolutely super long, and of course the numbering system is a little cumbersome, I feel, because it's got some alphabets, it's got some numbers, it's a mix and can be super confusing, but who am I to comment? Could be possibly their internal system. Anyway, getting to the brush strokes now, I feel that it is really fragile, the brush tip, although it is giving me a very smooth blend and it's spreading really very easily, but I do feel that the pro markers have a tad more grip, probably also because I'm holding on to a fine tip version right now with pro markers, but I do feel that over a period of time these markers will fray. And when it comes to the chisel side, I feel that the chisel side really is super pigmented and it's also blending really nice, and for the price it's totally worth it. Alright, after the fashion illustration then, I have this old sketch. We'll just use this for the purpose of the video, and I'm trying 3 different skin tones here. So I'm trying raw umber and salmon pink and terracotta, and these 3 colors will give me an idea of what kind of skin tones are available with them and if they're doing justice to my fashion illustrations or not. And what I'm really liking about it is that alcohol-based markers pretty much work like watercolors without the hassle of water and color, and I like the fact that it's blending really easily, and as I keep building up on the layers I can see some depth coming into my fabrics and I can see that the drapes are falling perfect just how I would like them. This is just a rough rendering just to get an idea of how these colors are and playing with them, but I have to say I am quite enjoying it. This set also comes with a blender, but the blender is completely up to you if you want to use it or not. For the purpose of this video, I wanted to, but I didn't feel the need for it, so I've not used it because the illustrations just looked absolutely fantastic without the use of them. So I am going in and rendering right now, and I'm absolutely loving the feel and the fall of the fabrics that has been created and also the depth. My honest opinion, I feel I've used Copic and I've used pro markers, and I absolutely love the Ohuhu markers because these are available at a fraction of cost of the competitors in the market, and they blend really well and they have all these amazing colors available and they're pigmented. So from me, I think these will work pretty well for my fashion illustrations. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys around. Bye.